Most importantly, most of the people develop a condition called as piles, which is nothing but hemorrhoids. Here, hemorrhoids literally mean a hem meaning blood, rous meaning to flow. It's a flowing blood. Where does this blood come from? This blood comes from the venous plexus or the rectal plexus of veins. We have these veins arranged in various clock positions, and it is a constant pressure effect or this rupture of these vessels causes a bleeding, which is hemorrhoids. So you need to know whether the hemorrhoid is a bleeding one or a blind one. A blind hemorrhoid does not bleed. We also need to know whether it is an external hemorrhoid or an internal hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoid that lines above the pectinate line is called as an internal hemorrhoid, and the hemorrhoid or the dilated plexus of veins that hangs lower than the pectinate line is called as a external hemorrhoid. The procedure to remove the hemorrhoid is called as hemorrhoidectomy. How they are going to do is like either they will ligate the hemorrhoid with a rubber band or via any other technique. So you will have to report the appropriate code, whether it is a band like rubber band ligation or any other technique. Then you need to know whether are they going to do the hemorrhoidectomy of a thrombosed or a prolapsed hemorrhoid, because we have very specific codes for a thrombosed hemorrhoid, which is a complication of hemorrhoid. Then thirdly, you need to know whether this hemorrhoid removal is taking place as a single column or in multiple columns, because we have codes for excision of external hemorrhoids 2 or more columns separately. You also need to know along with hemorrhoid is a fissurectomy being done. Accordingly, you can select the code. Next is like what we are going to see is about sphincteroplasty, which is nothing but we have the anal sphincters. Any breakage or any rupture of this sphincter or any repair, we call it as a sphincteroplasty. Same way, we can also do something called like anoplasty for congenital atresia of Henner's.